Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm Sarila ma'am. I'm going to teach you English. In previous class, we studied lesson 5 and today we are going to continue the same lesson. We have completed 2 stanzas in previous class. Now today we are going to read it again from the beginning and we'll complete our poem today. Okay? So, first of all, take out your book everyone. Take out page number 37, lesson 5, keeping clean. And everyone should have their pencils in their hand, okay? सबको अपने पास बुक के साथ पेंसिल भी रखना है so that whenever I ask you to underline a word, you can underline it right there, right? Okay, so सबको अपने पास पेंसिल रखना है, right? Now, let's get started. Before that, ma'am will brush up what we have studied in previous class, right? So last class में हमने क्या पढ़ा था बेटा? We have studied about keeping clean habits, है ना? हम जो डेली रूटीन में फॉलो करते हैं कुछ क्लीनली हैबिट्स हमने उसके बारे में पढ़ा था, है ना? कुछ एक्शंस जो कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स को यूज करके करते हैं उन्हें हमने वार्म अप में पढ़ा था, राइट? ऑन पेज नंबर 37 फर्स्ट टॉपिक देयर वाज वार्म अप, है ना? The question was see the objects and tell what actions we perform using these objects, right? तो मैम ने आपको बोर्ड पे 4 पिक्चर्स बना के एक्सप्लेन किया था, right? Okay, so first thing what we do after waking up in the morning? Yes, first we do brush our teeth, right? Then we wash our hands, then we take bath, then we wipe ourselves, right? So these are some general good habits that one should follow in his or her daily routine, right? Okay. So do you all know what is the meaning of keeping clean? I guess now you all have understood, right? Keeping clean means to clean ourselves, to clean our surrounding, to maintain a healthy life, right? Okay. So now let's get started. We'll read our poem and we'll explain. Okay? So, keep your finger everyone. Every morning we get up, there are things we must do. Keeping clean can be so much fun for you and everyone. Every morning we get up, there are things we must do. Keeping clean can be so much fun for you and everyone, right? So in first stanza, the poet is saying, after waking up, there is some mandatory habits, mandatory routines that we have to follow, right? What are they? Brushing, bathing, washing, right? These are some mandatory habits that one should follow. Okay? Then, keeping clean can be so much fun for you and everyone. Keeping clean is so much interesting, beta. It is nothing like so hard to do. It is very easy. One can do it very easily. We should clean ourselves and our surroundings, right? साफ रखना खुद को, अपने सराउंडिंग को, ये बिल्कुल भी बोरिंग या बहुत मेहनत वाला काम नहीं है. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, प्लस आपके डेली रूटीन का काम है. एक बार आप हैबिट में ला लो तो आप रोज़ उसको अपने आप करोगे, राइट? और हमें ये करना चाहिए ताकि हम एक हेल्दी लाइफ को मेंटेन कर सकें, राइट? Then we wash our hands, we rub and rub, we wash our faces, as you can see. We wash our hands, we rub and rub, we wash our faces, as you can see, right? What do you mean by rubbing our hands? Yes, to do like this, right? After taking some hand wash or soap, we rub our hands to clean our hands in different directions. Then we'll pour some water and rinse off all the soap, and then we'll pat it dry with a clean and dry towel, right? So this is the process of washing our hands, है ना? ये भी एक cleanly habit है. Then the same way we wash our faces, है ना? We wash our faces using some face wash or a soap. Okay? Now next, brush up and down, up and down. Come brush your teeth with me. Brush up and down, up and down. Come brush your teeth with me. How do you brush your teeth? Simply you rub your teeth with a brush, or you do it in a proper way. We rotate our brush upside down, left, right, every corner of your teeth, right, to clean your teeth, right? So the poet is saying, brush up and down, come brush your teeth with me, right? See, you can see an image showing a girl washing her hands, है ना? हमने जो सेकंड स्टेंजा में पढ़ा था पीछे, rub your hands, wash your hands, we rub and rub, है ना? The process is shown in this picture, right? The action we do using the object, है ना? Hand wash or soap, right? Then we clean our body, we scrub and scrub, we put soap and water to keep our body clean. We clean our body, we scrub and scrub, we put some water to keep our body clean, right? So in last stanza, the poet is talking about bath, right? How you take bath. आप कैसे नहाते हो? How we take bath? We pour some water, then we take soap, we rub our body, then again we pour some water and rinse off all the soap and pat dry ourselves using a clean or fresh towel, right? वही पोएट ने भी हमें लास्ट स्टेंजा में बताया है कि वी क्लीन आवर बॉडी, हम हमारे बॉडी को क्लीन करते हैं, वी स्क्रब एंड स्क्रब, हम सोप से पूरा बॉडी स्क्रब करते हैं, देन वी पुट सोप एंड वाटर, देन वी keep our body clean. Okay, so this was the poem. It was completely about cleanliness and one should follow these habits in his or her day-to-day life, right? हम सब ये routines follow करते हैं बेटा और हमें ये continuously follow करना है for our good health, right? Now again ma'am is going to read the poem so that you can get the correct pronunciation of each and every word, right? ध्यान से सुनना बेटा, मैम फिर से पूरा पोएम पढ़ेगी और आप लोग एक एक वर्ड का प्रोनाउंसिएशन ध्यान से सुनना, राइट? और इसके बाद मैम आपको डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स बताएंगे, तो उसे आप मीनिंग के साथ में स्पेलिंग को याद करना और रफ कॉपी में लिख लिख के प्रैक्टिस करना, राइट? सो कीप योर फिंगर एवरीवन. Every morning we get up. There are things we must do. Keeping clean can be so much fun for you and everyone. Every morning we get up. There are things we must do. Keeping clean can be so much fun for you and everyone. We wash our hands, we rub and rub. We wash our faces as you can see. We wash our hands, we rub and rub. We wash our faces as you can see. Turn the page everyone. Brush up and down, come brush your teeth with me. Brush up and down, come brush your teeth with me. We clean our body, we scrub and scrub. We put soap and water to keep our body clean. We clean our body, we scrub and scrub. We put soap and water to keep our body clean, right? So आप लोगों को पोएम में एक एक वर्ड का प्रोनाउंसिएशन समझ आया? You have to read it carefully. You have to pronounce it correctly. मैम ने जैसे प्रोनाउंस किया है आपको भी वैसे ही करना है. Now we'll see the difficult words. Okay? So ma'am is going to write some difficult words on the board. You have to underline it with your pencil in your book and then you can write it in your rough copy and practice it, right? You can write it 2 or 3 times so that you can learn the spellings, right? Okay. So मैम ने जो प्रीवियस क्लास में लिखाया था मैम फिर से लिख रही हैं, उसके साथ में न्यू स्टेंजा जो हमने आज पढ़ा है उसका भी मैम लिखवाएगी. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन, morning. The first word is morning. Second one, keeping. Second one is keeping. Third, everyone. The third word is everyone. Now fourth, wash. Fourth word is wash. Fifth, hands. Fifth word is hands. Sixth, faces. Sixth word is faces. Okay. Now we'll write the seventh word. Turn your page, everyone. I hope you all are underlining these words in your book. Okay. You all have to underline. Now 7. Brush. 8. Teeth. 9. Clean. 10. Scrub. 11. Soap. So this is it beta. There are 11 words है ना. मैम ने 11 words बोर्ड पे लिखा है. आपको इन वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन करना है आपकी बुक में. उसके बाद उन्हें लर्न करना है उनके मीनिंग्स को समझते हुए. ओके. आपको इसे रफ कॉपी में लिख के प्रैक्टिस करना है. राइट. टू लर्न ऑल द स्पेलिंग्स. So now I'll tell you the meanings of the words. Okay. The first word is morning. Morning means subha. Keeping, रखना. Everyone, सब लोग. Wash, clean करना, साफ करना. Right? Hands, हाथ. How many hands do you have? 2. Faces, चेहरा, हमारा face. Right? Brush. Brush means, brush is an object that you use to perform an action called brushing. Right? Brush करने के लिए हम लोग brush use करते हैं. Right? Then teeth. Teeth means दांत. Right? Then clean. Clean means साफ. Again. Okay? Now scrub. Scrub means rub करके पूरा से clean करने को हम scrub कहते हैं. Right? Soap. Soap क्या होता है? Soap is also an object that we use to take bath or wash our clothes or wash our hands or wash our dishes. है ना. बर्तन धोने, कपड़े धोने, नहाने, हाथ वॉश करने, इन सब के लिए हम सोप यूज करते हैं. अलग अलग सोप. राइट. ओके. सो दीज आर सम डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स. है ना. आपको इन्हें रफ कॉपी में लिख के प्रैक्टिस करना है और याद करना है मीनिंग के साथ में. और आप लोगों को पोएम अच्छे से घर पे रीड करना है और एक एक सेंजा टाइम लेके प्रॉपर प्रोनाउंसिएशन के साथ आप लोगों को रीड करना है. ओके. दिस इज इट फॉर टुडे बेटा. प्रैक्टिस इट एंड रीड द पोएम प्रॉपरली. ओके. गुड डे एवरीवन.